Hello, this is Shrikant and we have created a home automation IoT based project using Raspberry Pi and Python. With this project you can directly control all of your home appliances like fan, TV, light just using your voice. So let me show you a demo here. We have created our own Python assistant.
Good afternoon. Shubhamat Hayanam. Namaskaram. I am your digital assistant Savvy. How may I help you?
Turn on lights.
Okay sir, turning on the lights. Lights are on. Next command. Sir.
Turn on fan.
Okay sir, turning on the fan. Fan is on. Next command. Sir.
You can see the fan is on.
Thinking.
Turn off lights.
Okay sir, turning off the lights. Lights are off. Next command. Sir.
Turn off fan.
Okay sir, turning off the fan. Fan is off. Next command. Sir.
Who is Narendra Modi?
Thinking. I am thinking. My brain says. Narendra De Modardas Modi Gujarati pronunciation. Narendra Mod DS Modi, listen. Born September 17, 1950, is an Indian politician serving as the 14th and current Prime Minister of India since 2014. He was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014 and is the Member of Parliament for Varanasi. Next command. Sir.
Distance between Kalmeshwar and Nagpur.
Thinking. My brain is thinking. Got it. 20.23 kilometers. Kilometers. Next command. Sir.
Where are my keys?
Thinking. My brain is thinking. Got it. Not sure, but wherever you find them, that's where they are. Next command. Sir.
Bye bye.
Bye sir. Have a good day.
Thanks for watching this.